Hello everyone, today I'm going to have a very useful video for many of you. I'll show you how to enlarge the battery icon in the upper right corner. And you can do it without any programs. I'll show you a few simple methods. This icon is here so you know where my battery is right now. The battery level is at 39%. That's exactly what we're going to enlarge. If you're wondering why this is necessary, I'll tell you that on most smartphones these icons are very small, and difficult to see. Look, mine is about average in size, and for some people it's even smaller. We pay close attention to this icon a lot throughout the day because we're always checking how much battery is left, that is, how long we need to hold out before we need to charge. And even at arm's length, like I'm showing you now, it's very difficult to see. And if you're looking at it somewhere outside in daylight, it's very uncomfortable. Anyway, I'll tell you and show you everything now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, I'm showing you the first method, but if you don't find it on your smartphone, I'll show you the second method. It's universal for all models, so watch carefully, don't miss anything, and you'll be very pleased. Look, to do this, you need to go to the standard settings and scroll down to find the function responsible for the display. Yes, it would seem logical to look for a setting related to the battery. And many people, by the way, search under batteries and find absolutely nothing. And they think they don't have this setting. But in fact, it's just well hidden, and it's located in other settings. Look, go to the display, then scroll to the very bottom and find this hidden setting called Control Center and Status Bar. Tap it. And now you'll have a battery indicator function here. If you click here, then by default, absolutely every smartphone has this average value, which is what I have now. So, inside the battery, there's just a number. And the battery itself, it's really small. So, remember what size it is now. Pay attention to this right now. And what will it be now? Look, you need to click on the bottom value. Notice how the icon changes. I click and watch. Well, it's actually already somewhere between 2 and 3 times larger. And it's already more pleasant to look at. So, the battery itself, it's gotten bigger. Inside the battery, there's a shaded area showing how much is left, and the percentage is also listed separately. And it's quite large. And at arm's length, it's easier to see and more clearly this value. But, of course, many people will say, yeah, mine has increased, but not by much. I want, for example, it to be 2 or 3 times larger than this size, or some people simply won't find this setting. So what should they do then? Now I'll show you the second method, a universal method that works for all models. Look, we'll leave this increased value as is. That is, we'll increase it even more. Look, for this, I'll completely exit so you don't get confused. Go back to the standard settings. Now look for information about your phone. This is usually the very first line at the top. Click on it and look for your firmware version. If you have a Samsung phone or other models, you'll see a build number. You need to quickly click on the build number, about 5 to 7 times. It says, no need, you're already a developer. In your case, it says, congratulations, you've become a developer. Next, you need to go back a little with the arrow to the general menu and scroll down and find advanced settings. Here they are. There are some smartphones that simply don't have advanced settings. In that case, you'll find it in the System section, or just search for it using the Settings search, which is at the top of all smartphones. Next, go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and find the line you just activated. It's called Developer Settings. Go ahead. Now look, Each smartphone will have different features. On some smartphones, this feature will be called something else. That's why I recommend simply scrolling and paying attention to where you see a numerical value at the bottom. For example, I'm scrolling. In my case, it's called minimum width, but yours may have a different name. You see, 438 dp. Let me make it closer for you. Here's 438 dp. You need to click here. And here you'll be prompted to enter a different value. For example, mine is currently 438, but this value will be different on each smartphone. Some have 350, others 412, or even 500, maybe. In general, it doesn't matter. You need to set the value lower than your current one. For example, I personally use the number 311. Look here. Let's delete this. And now pay attention. Here, you see, at the top we have a larger battery. And how much larger it will become. Look, I enter, for example, 311 and press OK. Look how much larger it has become. In fact, it has become somewhere around 4 or 5 times larger. And now, at arm's length, you can clearly see the percentage and what kind of battery it is. But here, look, you can play around and enter your own value. It doesn't necessarily have to be 311. For example, for me, this is just a great value. For someone else, it might seem too big. Then just enter something else. You can set it to your liking.